Conversation 1.
Is your town a nice place to live?
Yes, there are many nice places in my town.
Oh yeah? What, for example?
Well, we have many nice parks and many nice restaurants.
What about cafes? I like to study at cafes.
We have a few cafes, but they are not great.
Conversation 2.
I am going to the supermarket. What do we need?
We need some milk, some bread, and some juice.
Do we need any eggs?
No, we have a lot of eggs.
Do we need any butter?
Yes, we have a little butter, but we need more.
Do we have any apples?
We have a few apples, but we need some more, I think.
Conversation 3.
Is there a gym at your school?
Yes, but it is not very good.
Oh, why is that?
Well, there isn't much equipment.
Oh, that's too bad. My school has a nice gym.
Does it have nice equipment?
Yes, it has lots of weight machines, but not many free weights.
Sounds a lot better than my gym.
Conversation 4.
Do you want to go to the movies on Friday?
I can't. I don't have much money right now.
That's okay. I can pay for you.
Oh, that's sweet of you to offer, but I don't have much free time either.
Oh, are you busy?
Yes, I have many assignments for school.
Okay, maybe next time.